Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to show you, I'm not anywhere near done with my Halloween projects, but I've started them and I'm trying to work on them, but I'm just going to show you how I've been packaging some of the things up, like stuff that I don't want exposed, not exposed, but like showing right when they open up the package. So I'm wrapping them in like cardstock paper or tissue paper. Anyway, so this is cardstock. I sewed the edges to make it like a little bit fancier, but you could always just tape it. It's a 12 by 12 sheet of paper and I folded it in half. That's it. And then I sewed it and then I just fold it down. I did a little clip at the top to make it fancy, even though I already sewed it, so you can't get into it. They'll have to cut it. A little spiderweb doily with one of my handmade embellishments on the corner, like offset, and there you go. Same with this 12 by 12 style bag. I did this one down the center so that it would have a flap that I open up without having to sew it. Did some thickers down here. These little bat clips are from Dollar Tree, and I just did some trim Halloween colors from my stash, and I love that like dangling look. Then this one, I just wrapped, I sewed this one as well. And then I wrapped a bunch of twine. This black and white twine is from Christmas, but it matches with Halloween. So I just wrapped it around all sloppily a bunch of times. Then, you know, did one of my embellishments, added a spider. Then up here, this banner I bought in a D-stash. It came on like a little spool, so I thought it was perfect to just add to the top of this. Then this one, another little baggie I made. Stickers, I love these little Hobby Lobby stickers with spiderweb doily and a little clip. That is keeping it closed. Looks like it's crawling up into the web. Then these guys, I was like, okay, I have all these little policy envelopes with the little, you know, so I just did crepe paper. Some of that trim that I'm really trying to use up from Michael's last year that I bought a billion rolls when they were on clearance. So just ran a piece right across, and then a Dollar Tree little spider on the center, and I thought it, you know, just added that extra little touch to a plain policy envelope, you know. So that's an idea. Then something that didn't fit in any of my 12 by 12 style wrapping, I did black tissue paper. And these little tags are from Joann's this year. This one as well, so it came with 3 designs. I did all 3. I got these little pumpkin picks. I just taped it down in the center. These are from the 99-cent only store. They come in orange and gold, and they come in 2 sizes. So this is the smaller size, and then the other one probably are like that size. But I thought adding that little pick, I was like, okay, I bought these picks, now I will use them. So, and then I just did some Dollar Tree spiderweb tulle. I think they might have it this year, but I remember getting this last year. It's like super sparkly, and I just washi taped the tissue paper closed. So yeah, that was for stuff that didn't fit in my 12 by 12 sheets. So yeah, just a quick idea like how to, you know, make something that's either ugly packaging or something, just cover it up. All right, bye guys, catch you on the next video.